having a great day so far. So, in the last class session, we went over how to dribble and pass in our soccer unit. We were displaying correct movement, we were displaying correct technique of how to control the ball when we were dribbling, and also when we were passing the ball. Now, we were working in partners. So, today we're gonna be working independently, but you're gonna have the choice to either dribble for a certain distance at your choice or pass at a certain distance of your choice. Okay, so I'll explain how that's gonna go on in our activities. But before we go into our activities, we first want to do our warm-up. So can I have everyone please be lined up, arm distance apart, and let's begin our warm-up. Now that we're done with our warm-up, we can now begin our activities. Okay, so for the first activity, we're gonna go over dribbling. Okay, and the second activity, we're gonna go over passing. So let's begin with dribbling. So as you can see, I have 4 cones lined up, okay, for you. Now, for this activity, we're gonna dribble at a distance of your choice. So you're gonna choose exactly at what cone you wanna dribble to, okay? So let's say, for example, I wanna dribble to cone number 3, okay? So this is 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna place the ball at cone number 1, okay, which is this cone right here. And I'm just gonna dribble, okay? Dribble, dribble, keep the inside of your foot, right? Keep your eye on the ball, keep your eye on the ball, right? And dribble to cone number 3. Once you dribble to cone number 3, take it back to cone number 1. Okay, dribble, 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 and dribble back to cone number 1. Once you choose a cone, okay, and you go up and down one time, I want you to rate yourself on your Rubik cards, okay? Tell yourself if you got yourself a 3 out of 4, a 4 out of 4, a 2 out of 4, or a 1 out of 4, okay? 4 out of 4 is that you did an amazing job. 3 out of 4 means you did proficient, and a 2 means that you need improvement, and then a 1 means that you need more review in dribbling, okay? So you rate yourself on your Rubik cards, okay? And at the end, we're gonna write a summary of how we can improve in our dribbling or in our passing, okay? So again, let me explain this one more time so that way we're not confused. Again, if I want to dribble to cone number 1, okay, which is this cone right here, dribble, 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 dribble with the inside of our foot, remember that we have to keep our eye on the ball, but also in the destination that we want to dribble to. Once I dribble to cone number 1, I take it back to the first cone where I started from, okay, right? And then I rate myself again on our Rubik cards, okay? And then I go again and I choose a cone where I want to dribble to, all right? Now, you also have the option to dribble at an angle, okay? So let's say, for example, you don't want to dribble straight, okay? You could dribble at an angle. So we have another cone set up over here. We have 4 cones set up in a zigzag pattern. As you can see, we have 1 cone right here, 1 cone over there, and it's in a zigzag pattern, okay? So let's say, for example, I want to dribble to that 3rd cone over there, right? See that 3rd cone? Well, I need to dribble to this cone right here, right, at an angle. And I gotta dribble to the 3rd cone, the one that I chose, okay? And I stop right here, and I have to take it back, just like in the first activity, right? I have to take it back, okay? Dribble on the inside of your foot, dribble on the inside of your foot, okay? And I take it back to the 1st cone, okay? And then I rate myself again, all right? So again, you have the option to dribble straight or dribble at an angle. Okay, so you decide how you want to dribble, okay? All right, students, so now that we're done with dribbling, we're gonna go into passing. So it's gonna be the same concept as the first activity, okay? We have 4 cones set up, okay? Just like the first activity, we have 4 cones, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, all right? Same thing, okay? You wanna start at the starting cone, okay? And you decide at what cone you wanna pass to, okay? So let's say, for example, I wanna pass just to the 1st cone. Remember to use the inside of your foot, okay? Pass towards the cone, okay? Run up to the cone, and then go back and pass to the cone where you started from, okay? Pass to the cone where you started from, okay? And then you rate yourself, okay? Give yourself a 4, a 3, a 2, or a 1, okay? But you decide, all right? Same thing when it comes to the zigzag pattern, okay? When you want to pass at an angle, same thing. So let's say, for example, I want to pass towards the yellow cone over there, right? Well, first I have to begin by passing to this cone over here. I pass, my inside of my foot, okay? Then I go to the yellow cone, the one that I chose, all right? I pass, okay? And then I take it back, okay? So I pass, okay? And I take it back to the cone where I started from, okay? And I rate myself, all right? Now, when you're doing these activities, okay, you have the option to also increase or decrease the distance, okay? So let's say, for example, when I'm passing or when I'm dribbling, okay, if I want to decrease the distance from the first cone to the cone where I'm starting at, decrease it, adjust the cone, okay? Decrease the distance, okay? Or increase it, however you like, okay? Same thing when it comes to the zigzag pattern, okay? When you're passing at an angle or when you're dribbling at an angle, increase the distance or decreasing, however you want, okay? Other than that, you have any questions, you may begin the activities. Begin. One more thing before you start, okay? Just know that there are criteria sheets at each activity, okay? So it's gonna tell you exactly what needs to be done, so that way you are successful in the activity that you are doing, okay? So just look at the criteria sheets if you're confused. All right, but other than that, you can now begin. So now that we're done with our activities, please bring it in, please form half a circle in front of me and take a seat. All right, I saw a lot of improvement from everyone. Everyone did an amazing job. We were making sure that we were passing at the right direction that we were comfortable with, and also dribbling at the direction that we were comfortable with as well, okay? Now for homework, I want you to write a summary of your rubric cards, okay? And tell me exactly what areas you could improve on. All right, whether it's maintaining the ball when you're dribbling or using the inside of your foot when you're passing, okay? So that's gonna be for homework. If you have any questions, please stay after class and I'll be willing to help you out and review any material that you need help with, okay? Other than that, class is dismissed. Have a good day.